repeat any movement, which I will be doing throughout the class, but if towards the end you're seeing your favorite move not repeated, I'm going to ask you to put up your hand, drop it in the chat, or say something to me, alright? Remember, when I have my mic plugged in, I can't hear you, but I can see you, alright? So here we go. Whining 101. Alright, here we go. I want to start from the top. Alright, give me a thumbs up if you're hearing my voice over this music. Yeah. Alright, just flex the hips. Hips, hips. Lift, put it down. Lift, put it down. Whine, 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 whine. Hip, here, hip, here, and I thought, you know, what better way to show you whining 101 than to show you several different whines from my own culture. Here, 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 here. One. So this is up in there. Alright, so push the hips to the side, warm up the hips, push them. So those of you who were here yesterday, you have really push the hips forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, up in there. Here we go. Lift it. Here. Up. I'm gonna slow it down. Here. Here. Slow. Slow. Up. Up. Slow. Up. Up. Slow. Are you lifting the leg as high as you can, yeah? Remember, so this is not the cardio class yet. Tomorrow is the cardio class. Tomorrow is the killer class. So this class is about having fun. Up in the head. Here. One. Whine. I'm doing a fast whine, but I'm going to break down that whine in a bit. I just want to throw you out into the deep end. Alright, again. 1, 2, whine. Push it now. Here, back, left, side, back, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, forward, side, back. So that's me breaking down the whine, yeah? So I warmed you up just now, threw you out into the deep end. And just release it out. 2. Just sitting here, relaxing these. I don't want you to feel too much pressure on your quads, on the thighs, upper thighs. If you are feeling a lot of pressure, relax, shake the legs out, and go again. Other way. 1. Go. Just give me a side to side. We all know this. We all did this when we were kids. Only we had the hands on the waist like that, yeah? Drop the hands by the side. Push the chest forward. That's right. Now you look Jamaican. 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look back at his head. And we're going to just push forward. Push forward. Push forward. So all of this is really intending to do what? Warm the hips, yeah? Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Ah! 2. Slow whine. Slow whine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the way. 3, 2, 1. 3 more to that side. 1, 2, 3. Keep going, ladies. Keep going. 1. Slow one. 2, 3, 4. On. 5, 6. And bring the feet together. Only do the same thing. A bit more of a controlled whine. 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. Here, here. Same thing that we started with. Only now we're going to be a bit sharper with this. And I've taught Tik TikTok on here before. TikTok is like the universal way to teach whining. I sat for a very long time pondering, how the hell will I break down wine different from how everybody else has? And I said, you know what? This is the best way. All right, now breathe. One. So I'm gonna be quiet. I want you to really listen to the beats. And I'm going to go this side now. I'm going to change a step after 4, 2, 3, 4. Shake out the legs. So remember, all of these I'm going to go right around. It's a cycle. Here, step back. Here. Here. So this is a hot up. That's what it's supposed to look like. But what I want you to do it now, we're doing hot up with a push back. So if we just leave that leg there, here, wind back. Just one hand. Let's complicate it. Other leg. Here. Wind. 2. Wind. Here we go. 5, 6. Hot up on a bladder feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it around. 1, 2. This is really big, really broken down. All right, now bladder. Here. Still getting those hips in. So what I'm going to be doing now, and if you feel that I'm going fast, ladies, don't you worry about it. I have about 10, 15 movements, and we're going to go right from the top. And when I reach the end of my list, we're going to go from the top, all right? Bladder. Pull it up. Wine, 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 one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wine, wine. All right. Chin down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend over. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Leave that one alone. I want you to do this on the song. All right. Here we go. Shake out the hands. This move is fabulous. No, that's what it's called. It's called fabulous. And it goes. Let me slow it down. It goes hair, 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 hair. Hip, boobies, shoulder over head. 1, 2, 3, and he's on the tip of the toes. Again. All right, so it's wine. Back to the slow wine. Wine. So what I really want everybody to think about tonight is bringing those hips in an isolated movement. We're going to do this for the duration of this song, keeping the legs in this position. So about shoulder width apart. 5. Again, crunch the abs forward, back. Crunch as you come here. Crunch. Crunch. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when it feels dry, just change to the other side. 2, 3. Stop. Keep going. 2, 3. Keep going. And every time you come back to the front, think of pulling the belly button into the back of the spine. Really focus on this area. Your pelvis is what is doing the movement. Alright? So, versus doing too much of that, We're gonna just stay in the center and whine. So listen to the music. That's it. Other way. Tick. Hit each point. One. Think about being smooth. Smooth like water. Again. 3. 1. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, shake out the legs. Shake out those legs. Shake them out. We're gonna do it again. This time, go legs a little bit more. 1. So if you notice, I start going to the side, forward, side, and back. Just like I did in the Tik Tok in the beginning. When I did that Tik Tok step in the beginning, that's what I did, yeah? Here's another hot top song, but we're just gonna stay whining in this wide position here. So sit in one area. Don't move around like that. Everything else is stiff. The only thing that can move is your pelvis. If it helps to put your hands on your hips, then do that. Around, yes. 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch directions. 1, good. 2, 3, 4. So I want a bit more engagement. Engage the hips. For everybody, yes. Engage those hips. 1. More of a circle. More of the circle. Think about those 4 points. Bam. We'll speed it up a little bit. Push. 1, 2. And if at any point you lose pace, keep going. Just hit side, 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 back. If at any point in time you feel like you've lost pace, go back to the 4 posts. So it's just like connecting those dots. Here, 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 here. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So, what can I say? What visual can I give you? Let me just turn to the side. Hopefully you can get it. Some things I just can't say. Flick it. So just now, the difference is I was kind of centered just here. Now what I'm doing is I'm throwing it. Throw, throw. 7, 8, and I sit 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, bigger. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake out the legs. I don't want you to think too much about that one, yeah? Shake out the legs. And what we're gonna do now? We're gonna whine bending forward. Now the principle still exists. It still stands. When you're whining, bending over is the same thing when you're up. Alright? Same thing. Here we go. What I do, I turn my hands in versus doing them out like that. So if you look at the difference, you put your hands out like that, it kind of looks like a big frog. So I usually just kind of bring the hands in a little bit. And here. So just showing you how I kind of move up the hands so that I look a little bit sexy, a little bit more sensual at the waist, kind of smalls the waist a little bit. Also, I always arch my back because that also helps to make the waist appear smaller as well, yeah? And then that also helps when you're whining, it makes you, gives the illusion of a fuller circle, if that makes sense. Shake out the legs, here we go. Reaching over, here we go. One, make your arm rock from the back. One, make your arm rock from the back. That's good. 1, 2, 3. That's good. Yes. 1, 2. Don't be shy. 4, 5. Just do for me. Bend the back, under. Warm up that lower back. Warm the lower back. Push the butt up. Well, make you one BRUK from the back. We're actually going to do BRUK back. 1. BRUK back. Well, make you one BRUK from the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, go on. Sit down. 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Full circles. 4, 5, 6. Pull the belly button and you'll feel a crunch in the abs. The abs are very important when you whine, ladies. And 1. You don't gotta have a six-pack, but they are engaged, yeah? Alright, shake out the legs. Let's get back to that TikTok. Reload, hey, shall go with our ticking for 8, 6. That was TikTok. I'm just going back to TikTok. Yes. Yes. Here's what I want you to know. Just sit here. Wind to the bicycle. Wind to the bicycle. Broka, broka. Double. Shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out, ladies. At your pace, I want you to start that TikTok again. We are going to do another TikTok. I've taught it here before, but I'm going to turn facing backwards. What I like about this TikTok is that if you don't have the bend over whine, then you're back on a whine, girl. You will more than likely catch this TikTok. Alright, so if you were unable to catch it the first time, you can do it this time. If not, you can just let loose and do it while I teach everybody, okay? So here's how we go. Here. Pa. Hey, pa, 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 pa. So it's here. Bend, down, down, back. Here, pull the bum under. Now the great thing about this movement, even though when you're whining, you're not doing such emphasized steps, it still helps you to hit those corners. Here, butt under, lean, push it back. 1, 2, 3, again, push. Here, push it back. Here, 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 here. So I don't know if this will help you. So if I have my coffee mug, yeah, I'm a coffee girl, guys. So if I have my coffee mug there, yeah, and I lean forward, so gotta hold on to something. Just picture. Trust me on this. Picture this for a moment, right? So if you're here, you gotta reach down, take it up. You see what I'm doing? And I pull back. Here. So what happens is the entire body shifts. You shift on that plane and you pull back. Hopefully that works. Shift, take it up, here. Because ain't nobody want to take up a coffee like that, yeah? Shift, cheat it, pull it back. SOCA? Man, I'm sweating. These lights are hot as hell. What the fuck? Alright. We're gonna do it again. I like this song, you know why? This is Idonia. Listen to the beat of that song. He's saying, whatever broker. Bam, bam. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let me turn to the side. Ba. 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 Back. Reach. Down with the butt. Air. Trust me, this takes a lot of work. It took me. There we go. And 1. Drop under. Here. Up. Here. Drop under. Here. And let's just check it out. I'm going to come back to it. Don't worry about it. All right, let's go back to that first whine. The first basic whine. Give it to me here. Open the legs. A little bit wider than shoulder width apart. And just sit here. Good job, ladies. 1, 2. Yes, very good. Good job. Good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And you know what I want you guys to do too? I want you to try, when you're coming around, to squeeze the tummy as you release. Here, here. Squeeze and go around. I see you, Decal. If you want to let go, yeah, let go, you know. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Now bring it in. 1, 2. And remember, I tend to wind to this direction, but if you feel comfortable practicing to one direction, that's fine. And 1, 3. I have to make a conscious effort to wind to the opposite direction. 7. Jump out. A little jump out. I don't want you to hurt your knees, yeah? 5, 6, 7. Opposite side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now we're going to go-go wine. Go-go wine is simple. Put the hands overhead. So it's the same one we've been doing. The only difference now is that we put the hands overhead. I change it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give that to me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go, Melissa. 7, 8. All right. So here. Break. Just break. Just break. Just break. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Bad gal spice. Real dancehall queen. Push the booty out. Just jiggle. Release every feeling that you need to be perfect. You need to be perfect. Shake it out. There you go. Very nice. I don't think that's Charlotte. Shake it. 1, 2. Yes, Danielle. Good, Shazia. Shazia, keep going. Keep going. Good. Bring it up. Release the back. So if I turn here, I'm just doing a jiggle. Just shake. 1. 1. So what I'm doing now, I'm releasing the legs. I'm allowing the legs to do whatever they want to do. Yeah? Good. Nice work, Danielle. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, step it out. So we just did go-go wine. I'm going to show you elastic wine now. So here. Here. Listen. Here. Yes. Here. Just showing you the basic hands. Here. Elastic wine. And you know, as usual, I'm trying to cram as many wines, as many things as possible into the one class. Here we go. Whining. And around. 2. I am back feeling. I am back feeling. God knows I am back feeling. So here's what we're going to do. 4 here. 1, 2, 4. Then here. 2. Elastic band wine. 3. 4. Right to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am back feeling. I'm gonna do it again, but I'm facing this way now. You don't have to face that way with me. 2, 3, 4. I go over like elastic girls, the Incredibles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right, here we go. Back on 8. Shake it out. So with this one now, instead of just doing a touch, we're actually going to do a whine. So I'm going to do it slow first, yeah? Whine, whine, whine. And it's a step back, step back, step back, step back. All right? All right, let's go again. We're going to do it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1. Push back. Remember, even though dancehall is sexy, sensual, it's still aggressive. Push back. Alright. Can I go faster? It's still bend over. It's still this, right? It's still the biomechanics remain the same. The only thing now, touch, touch. If I turn to the front, and if I just stand up with it. Yes. That's it. Yes, Gloria, that's it. And you just listen to the beat. And just let's take that back. Slow. No, raise the body. Alright? Release that. We're gonna get back to that one. Don't you worry. We're gonna do muscle whine. The muscle whine, you know, Jamaicans, they like to imitate everything. So Usain Bolt, there's a Usain Bolt dance, there's a Shelly and Fraser dance, there's a dance that imitates gym bodies. Yeah? So if you have gym body, muscle whine. Muscle whine. Yeah, everybody got that one. 7, 9, 1. Yes. All right, slow it down. 2, 3, 4. So for those who have never lifted, come on, ladies, lift the weights. Yes. Go on, it's a muscle whine. It's literally called a muscle whine. You hear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6. So that's what I do. And what we do, that's a common step. We add the arms. So let's do the feet first. Feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 2, 3, 4. Tap 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So count the feet. Count the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. 1. Shake it out. Shake it out. That's not bad, yeah? Breathe easy. Back to that slow whine. Breathe easy. Focus on that exhale. Other way. Go on. Bring the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. 8, 7. 4, 3, 2. We're going to add the arms. and then they come down center. They come up by the sides and go down. Whoops, my mind. Down. Sexy dancer coming up. Cartel. Hey, king of the dancer. Even during the fan lockdown. So we're gonna open, 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 open. Again. So here. This one is a little bit, it's so simple, but it always proves to be some sort of challenge, yeah? So look what I'm doing. Here. Here. So it's as though the knee is pulling you that way. 1. Slow it down. 4, 5, 6. Alright, let me break it down even more. Hold on. Wait. Shake it out. Shake it out. If you need to take a sip of water, take a sip of water. Then I'm going to start right back on this one, alright? Hey, baby, yeah, good. Hey, British, hey. That's what it's supposed to look like. Yeah? So here it is. Let me come closer. Here. So don't think, I see a lot of persons, don't think that. So put the legs right under you. Put the toes pointing straight at me. And then what you're going to do, push. Oh God, knee light. Legs, you got to get knee light. Push forward. Bring the legs up. We're going to come back to it. Knee light. Side to side. We're going to come back to that. Don't worry about it. Lead. Shift the weight. Shift the weight. That's right. Push. Hey. That's it. Good job. Charlotte and her dance team. Here. Good job. Come on, Shazia. Push those hips. Push those hips, Shazia. Here we go. Catch on the side. Let me show you catch. 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 So catch is just push. 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 Here we go back to the step. 2, 3. So we come back. So here's what I want you to think about. Think about the intention behind the music. So don't look at me and think, oh, I need to be perfect. Nah, think about the intention. So you notice my toes stay facing forward and I'm circling the knees. And when I circle the knees, I put the body to the side that the knee is going to. And if I slow that down, it goes like this. Gaza Slim. That's the name of the artist. Gaza Slim. Not the dance move. This is sticky wine. Usually done with a little bit more stickiness. But I want you to catch the flow first. Here. 2. Nice and easy. Breathe easy, ladies. 7. Just one leg. One leg. 4. To be my future guaranteed. Other leg. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now, twist the body. Twist the body. Twist the body. You are the chicken head ain't not cool. Me and him apart. Here. Here. Just let it go. Listen to the music. And you know what I always say to people? The music tells you what to do. So it don't matter where you're from. The music normally tells you what to do. Listen. If you listen. Need lie here. Miss pretend to be my future guarantee. You can switch to the other side. You must go do it, but hey, muscle wine. Remember, I don't want your legs to be fatigued. So if you feel tired, I want you to ease off, back off of that step. So here we go. We're gonna do a roll now. Here. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. I'm gonna break it down, don't worry. I'm gonna break it down to this side. So here's what I want you to think. You're coming back. So first you lift your shoulders, then the shoulders go back, then the boobies. The booty goes back. I hope I haven't confused you. So here's what we do. Up. Up. Intention. That's it. How it is. Track, well, not just the complete track, but when they're going over that high, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I never did track, but you know that bar that they high jump over, it's like you're going over that bar, you don't want anything to touch, alright, that is exactly it, yes, well, not that far, Charlotte, oh my god, alright, so here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, here we go, over. Get over that bar. Get your country that gold medal. Get over that bar. Keep going. 1. Hey. Good. Yes. Good. Break it down again. Come again. I want you to do it slow. Don't think about keeping the pace. Yes, better. And I find that when learning this move for the first time, it's nice when you kind of have one leg back and the other one coming forward. Yes, better, yes. Here. Here. Go up, pull the belly button in to push the bum back. There you go, yes girl, up, push back. Yes. Here. And now I want you to dip low. Come on, because I really want to emphasize from the head, push back. It might be a little hard on the back, so if you do one, and it's a little bit too much, you can go back to the original, basic one that I gave you. There. Let's go to the other side. Over. Like we're going underneath a fence, and then we're going over the bar. So many things that we're doing today. We're doing track, we're also jumping the fence. Here. Alright, just easy. Easy. So this body roll now, it's only the pelvis. Yes. So it's the pelvis, and don't be afraid to use the tummy. Belly button pulls into the back of the spine. Use the abdominal muscles. Everybody has abdominal muscles, okay? Everybody. All I want you to do is squeeze. Pull the belly button as though you want to pull it to the back of the spine. 1, 2. Leave that alone. We're going to go here. Back. Tik Tok. That's Tik Tok. Here. See it in your eyes. Under. Here. Shift back. Boom. Here. 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 1. Back. Here. Here. 1. It's the same move. Earlier, we're doing it a little bit faster. So this one now, it's a lot of legs. Make sure my boom C is covered. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So if I were to turn front, my knees are really engaged in this one. So remember, in the beginning, we're doing a lot of this. So it's less of a circle. So Daniel, it's less of a circle and more of a pull the hip up, pull the hip up, pull it 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 up. Yes. Pull it up. Yes, Decal, yes. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, and then we're going. 1, here, 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 up. And if you can't go as slow, you can always keep it midway. So I tell you, this one is hard, yeah? Hard on the legs. Here we go. 5, 6, 5. Let me hear this beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. You gotta make a grown man. 8. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the beauty of this move, let me see if I can break it down even further. 1. Some things are hard to say. So if I did it slowly, I would hope that you catch it. So I don't know if you like a figure 8. A figure 8 is like that infinity sign that goes like that. Yes. So it's a figure 8 is like that. So that's what the knees are pulling the hip in. Hip, 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 hip. Yes, yes. And at any time, you can always stop, shake out the legs, that's fine. No problem. Listen, after this class, you know, you guys are whining queens. Here we go. With some practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag, come in. 2, 3, man. 6, 7. I turn to the side. Go again. 1 more rotation. 2, 3, 4. Take it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. Shake it out. I'm going to show you another one. And listen, when we're done, I'm going to go over everything from the very top. All right, so this one is quite similar to what we just did in that you're now moving your body into a figure 8 still. But here's what you do. All right, let me show it to you from the front. Me, I tell them. So, 5 turns like this. Lift, lift, back, back. So it's like the body, the hips are doing this. So first is doing a full 360. You're doing wave, 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 wave. So I bring forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back. Breathe. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. That one is really easy. The fact you're tired, so take a sip of water. That one is quite simple. Take a sip of water, shake out the knees, shake out the leg, pat the quads, pat the hamstrings, and say, yeah girl, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. Alright? Here we go. I'm gonna do about 8 counts, just real time, so you can see what it should look like. Just forward, back. Spend a little bit more time on this and then I'm gonna move on. Don't worry about it. 4 on 1. Put it back. 2, back. 3, relax. 4, back down. Forward, back. Forward, back. Pull the hip forward. Hip, 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 here. And just like Tik Tok, you're making those hips touch each point. So when you let it go, it looks like that. 3, 4, from the side. 1, 2, 3. After 4, we're going to put that right leg back and just roll to the side. Let's go back to the road. Let it go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Much better, everybody. Yes. All the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the way. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Pull it through. 3, 4. Pull the rope. Pull the rope. To the rope. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. In the middle. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Open it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elastic band. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1. Elastic 1, 3, 4. Bring it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Give me a muscle line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit into it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Carry it up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Fabulous. Fabulous. That's what that move is called. Self-explanatory. Here, standing, shift the weight, push the hips, take your hands run over the head. Yes, that's it. Then all you do, same thing when you go down, it's the same biomechanics, the same thing. Yes. 6, 7, 8, bend over, bend over. 5, 6, 7, reverse it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. 2. You know, I didn't show you. Snake back. Snake back. So all I want you to do, turn facing this way. Sing the back. As we come. Come on. Here. Think of lift it. Even though that's physically impossible, unless you're a contortionist and I don't know, yeah? up, 2, up. So remember, for those of you who are here for BRUK out, this is what we did. 3, 5, 8. So this one is quite taxing on the body. Here. Here. Sorry, let me do it facing here. 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 I tried to do it. All right, shake it out, shake it out. I tried to do it standing up and it just wasn't working out. So we're gonna try it again. Shut that roll. Just watch. All right, here we go. I go cat. Cat and cow, up. But what I want you to think of, don't leave the shoulders. The shoulders are attached to the body, so don't just use this, and the shoulders are not doing anything. So what I do, a trick to do it, you bring the shoulders, so they come back. Shoulders come back, they push your shoulder blades backwards, so it gives a roundedness that gives you even more arch than you had before. All right, so here's how you do it. Here we go. You can try it with me. Here. Push your shoulders. Yes! Listen, like everybody did it at the same time a while ago. That was really exciting. Here we go. Again. 1. Hey, concentrate. You're a snake in the grass. You're a snake. But a good snake. Hey. We're gonna do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. At this point, if it's available to you, as usual, if you need to push on your knees, so if you want to push on your knees, go ahead and do it, yeah? So very simple. Same thing. All right, so I'll just do this until everybody's down. Down. Shoulder. So it's the same principle here. So we're gonna go here, 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 here. So this one is very intense. I'm actually pushing the shoulders back, up. Shoulders are going back, up. Shoulders are going back, up. That's what I'm doing. Yeah? So here, up, over. Here. Here. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push this leg back. 1, 2, 3. Listen, Jamaica has like a million wines. 1 hour cannot teach every single wine that we have. So from here, what I'm doing here, we go here and round it. Last movement, I promise. Last movement. This is actually a very good recovery step as well. Yeah, it's an actual dance move. Here. Yeah. So you pull the hip forward and extend it. And on my count, turn to the other side. 1. Last move of the day. 3, 4. Let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job, ladies. Push back into that child's pose. Stretch out that back. Drop the head. Hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Curl those toes on. Now we're pushing up into what's known as a downward facing dog. Pushing back against the hamstrings, which we worked out so well. Pushing back as far as you can. If you want, you can clasp the hands, put them at the back of the head, tuck the chin for an added stretch on the hamstrings. Stay there while I turn down this music just a bit. Where are we? Okay, good. Stretching down and rolling up. 2, 3, 4. Give me just a big sumo squat right here. Push those thighs can stretch. You can shift it, shift the weight. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. From here, you're just going to push back up. Shift into one side. Hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to the other side. Point those toes outwards. If it's available, if it's not, that's okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come right back to the center. From here, round the back as though you're doing a snake back wind. From here, on your paws in the center, and I want you to snake right through. All right, bring those feet in, and I just want you to do a sexy little whine. Put a hand up in the air, beat your chest and say, yeah, girl, and me just do that. Me just do that. Big up yourselves, ladies. So, thank you all for joining me tonight for Whining 101. It was fantastic having you here. As always, hold on, let me plug out my mic as usual. So, as always, I am going to send you this recording. And like I said before, I apologize again for those who did not come in yesterday. What was I going to say? Right. Remember, I'm going to send out the link for the YouTube video. It's an unlisted video. My video has been spotlighted through this entire class, so your video will not be shown, okay? Rest assured. So I will upload that to YouTube private link, and I'll send you guys that private link. You guys will have access for an entire week, all right? So tomorrow is cardio. And we will spare no prisoners, all right? Tomorrow is going to be a rough one, all right? See you guys. Love you all. Bye-bye. Bye.